Tip number 1, choose the right format. There are many different ways to take notes, so it's important to choose a format that works for you. Some people prefer to take handwritten notes, while others prefer to type them up. There are also apps and software programs that can help you take notes. Tip number 2, be selective. It's not possible to write down everything that's said in a lecture or class. So, it's important to be selective and focus on the most important information. This means paying attention to the main points of the lecture and the examples that are used to illustrate those points. Tip number 3, use visuals. Visuals can help you to remember information more effectively. So, it's a good idea to use diagrams, charts, and other visuals in your notes. This will help you to understand the information and to remember it later. Tip number 4, review your notes regularly. The best way to learn from your notes is to review them regularly. This will help you to solidify your understanding of the material and to identify any areas where you need more help. Tip number 5, ask questions. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask questions. This is the best way to get clarification and to make sure that you're on the right track. Conclusion: taking effective notes can help you to learn more effectively and to achieve your academic goals. By following these tips, you can take better notes and improve your chances of success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video.